Exercise 13.2, question 5, simplify. Our first sub problem is 2 raised to 5 raised to 2 into 7 raised to 3 and then divided by 8 raised to 3 into 7. So now don't rush and try to solve too many things at one point of time. First we'll solve in next step only this much. So my next step will be 2 raised to, when power of power becomes multiplied, so 2 raised to 5 into 2, 7 by 3. And now 8 can be written as 2 raised to 3 raised to 3. See, 8 is a 2 cube, so I am writing as a 2 cube, and this 3 raised to the power 3 into 7. So now I keep this as a separate one. I'll solve this as a separate. So my next step will be 2 raised to 10 divided by 2 raised to 3 into 3, 9 into 7 raised to 3 minus 1. Since the base is same, operation is division, so we subtract power of denominator 1 from the power of numerator. Here what I have done, when base power of power is a multiplication of power, so 3 into 3, 9. So my next step will be 2 raised to, base is same, operation division, denominator power will be subtracted from the numerator power. So 10 minus 9 into 7 square. So my ultimate answer will be 2 into 7 square. Now let's move on to the next one. 25 into 5 square into 2 square. 25. Next one. 25 into 5 square into t raised to 8 into t raised to 8 divided by 10 cube into t raised to 4. So now in first step we'll simplify this further. 25 is nothing but a 5 square, so I write it as a 5 square into 5 square, and t what I'll do, I'll put it separately, t raised to 8. Now I am doing the denominator, here I am putting 10 is nothing but 2 into 5 raised to 3 into t raised to 4. So my next step will be 5, here the base is same, operation is multiplication, so power will be added. So 5 raised to 4, and here 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3, and here t raised to, base is same, operation is division, so the power of denominator will be subtracted from the power of numerator. So ultimately it will be t raised to 8 minus 4. So in next step, here 5, here again the base is same, operation is division, so power will be subtracted. So the next step will be 5 1 upon 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 4 minus 3 into t raised to 4. So my next step will be 5 into 5, 4 minus 3 comes out to be 1, t raised to 4 divided by 2 raised to 3. You need to understand it this step very clearly. See, 10 can be written as 5 into 2 and then they are multiplied, and that complete 2 into 5 is having power 3. So it can be, so it is 2 into 3 into 5 into 3. We have learned this before. See, I explained 2a raised to 3 is equal to 2 raised to 3 into a raised to 3. In this case, it was 10. So I rewrote 10 as 2 into 5 raised to 3. So it comes out to be 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3 in simplified form. So here 2 into 5 raised to 3 is nothing but 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3. So now let's move on to the next one. Third, 3 raised to 5 3 raised to 5 into 10 raised to 5 3 raised to 5 into 10 raised to 5 5 into 25 divided by 5 raised to 7 into 6 raised to 5. Again, we'll rewrite this problem. 3 raised to 5, 10 raised to 5 as I did in previous one, 2 into 5 raised to 5. And last one is 25. So here 25 I rewrite as 5 square. Got it? So now on the denominator side, 5 raised to 7, 6 can be written as 3 into 2 raised to 5. So now I'll simplify this one and this one in next step. So 3 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5 into 5 square on numerator side. And on denominator side, 5 raised to 7 into 3 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 5. So now, wherever there is a basis same, I will rearrange this complete problem. So now first let me take 3. Here 3 raised to 5. So I write 3 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 5 into, now I will consider 2. 2 raised to 5 divided by 2 raised to 5. And now 5 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 2 divided by 5 raised to 7. I did nothing new. I just rearranged where the base is same. So now my next step will be 3 raised to 5 minus 5 into 2 raised to 5 minus 5. As the base is same, division is the operation. The power of denominator will be subtracted from the power of numerator. So here the 5 base is same. Operation is multiplication. So I will be doing addition of the power. 5 raised to 5 plus 2 divided by 5 raised to 7. As I mentioned again and again, don't try to solve too many things in one step. Just go step by step. So here it comes out to be 3 raised to 0 into 2 raised to 0. Now here 5 raised to 7, and here the base is same. Operation is division. So 5 raised to 7 minus 7. This 7 came from this 5 plus 2. So now my next step is 3 raised to 0, 2 raised to 0, 5 raised to 0. So anything raised to 0 is 1. So the answer is 1. That's it.